Hi, friends. We are going to read a book about birds. This is a non-fiction book. It tells us facts about pet birds. The title is My First Pet Birds by Carrie Meister. A new pet. Jen wants a pet. She gets a bird. She buys a cage. It has metal bars, and it has 3 perches. 1, 2, 3. Perches are what birds sit on in the cage. What kinds of birds are pets? May has a macaw. It climbs a toy rope. What a pretty macaw. Kit has a finch. Time to eat. Kit feeds Herbert seeds, and she gives him water. Noah cleans Al's cage. He puts in a new cuddle bone. Al will peck his beak on it. Oh, he has a cuddle bone. Goes right inside of his cage, and look, he's pecking his beak on the cuddle bone, sitting on his perch. Paco is a parakeet. Lou gives him a peanut, and Paco says, "Thank you." Ethan wants his parakeet to talk too. He works every day with her. Playtime. Lex lets his parrot fly. She lands on his hand. Birds are fun pets. What does a bird need? It needs a perch, which is a place for the bird to sit. They need a water dish. Birds need fresh, clean water every day. Toys. Birds need toys so they don't get bored. A cuttle bone, the inside shell of a cuttlefish. Birds get calcium from it. Food. Small birds eat birdseed. And a cage, a place where birds are kept so that they cannot fly away. These are all the supplies that we need for a pet bird. The end. Bye, boys and girls. I hope you liked our book about birds.